தெரிவு பெற்ற மதினாய் வா 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 திருமை கண்டு பொங்குவாய் வா 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 எளிமை கண்டிறங்குவாய் வா 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 எளிமை கண்டிறங்குவாய் வா 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 ஏறு போல் நடையாய் வா 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 ஏறு போல் நடையாய் வா 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 இதய பாரதத்தினாய் வா 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 இதய பாரதத்தினாய் வா 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 எதிரா பலத்தினாய் வா 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 எதிரா பலத்தினாய் வா 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 ஒளிரந்த நாட்டிலே நின்றேனும் ஒளிரந்த நாட்டிலே நின்றேனும் உதய ஞாயிறொப்பவே வா 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 உதய ஞாயிறொப்பவே வா 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 உதய ஞாயிறொப்பவே வா வா अखिल जेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल जेत्री आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वग्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेष्वग्रममाक्रमणं मैत्री भजत अखिल जेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल जेत्री जननी पृथ्वी कामरुगासे जननी पृथ्वी कामरुगासे जनको देवः सकल दयालु जनको देवः सकल दयालु साम्यतदात दयवं जनता साम्यतदात दयवं जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल
Thank you. sacrifices we made and the dreams that still guide us forward. It took decades of courage, unity, and determination for India. From Mahatma Gandhi's path of non-violence to the bravery of Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and countless unsung heroes. But my dear students, independence is not just about remembering the past, it is also about building the future. The freedom we enjoy today is a gift, but it is also a responsibility. Each one of you here is the future of our nation. You may be young now, but in your hands lies the power to shape India's tomorrow through your education, innovation, kindness, and hard work. India's growth since independence. In 1947, India was a new nation, struggling with poverty, illiteracy, and division. But look where we are today. We produce our own food, build our own industries, send satellites into space, and even land missions on the moon. We are the world's largest democracy with a voice that matters globally. Our doctors save lives across the world. Our IT engineers build technology that runs global systems. Our scientists push the boundaries of knowledge, and our soldiers guard our borders with unmatched bravery. As a nation, we achieved a lot, from sending satellites to Mars to becoming a global leader in technology, science, and culture. But there are still challenges: poverty, inequality, climate change, and social harmony. And it is you, the next generation, who will find solutions, lead with integrity, and make every Indian stronger and proud. A message for the young generation. Dear young friends, when I look at you, I see hope. I see the future of India. The dreams of our freedom fighters will live on only if we carry them forward. And you are going to carry that. Be honest in every action, because integrity is the foundation of a great nation. Take care of nature, plant trees, keep your surroundings clean, protect our environment. Stand against injustice, even if it is small, because every small wrongs grow into big problems if we ignore them. So I want to share a story with you. A boy once asked his teacher, "Can one person really change the country?" And the teacher replied, "A single seed can grow into a tree that gives shade and fruit to thousands. And I want all of you to be that seed in MDM." Remember, every great change starts with one person deciding to do the right thing. So my dear young friends, dream big, work hard, and never forget the values that our freedom fighters stood for. their courage, unity, and love for the motherland. On this Independence Day, let us take a pledge today that we will honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters by being the best versions of ourselves. Let us not wait for someone else to bring the change. Let us be the change. I want to share a quote with you. You all would have heard, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." Is it? Yes or no? I couldn't hear. Yes. So, can you hear this version? "Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Our MDM teachers and parents make us superstar." I would like to conclude by saying, freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, and I can proudly say सारे जहां से अच्छा NBM हमारा. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Thank you everybody.